What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, we got a jam-packed week coming up in terms of earning reports of this upcoming week, okay, guys? So listen, we got a lot of opportunities to make money and do our thing. So I want to talk all about it, get you guys prepared. You guys already know. Listen, do me a favor before we dive into it. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I got the earnings report pulled up. We're going to dive into a few of these companies that are of concern and of interest to me. And if they're of interest to me, I want them to be a priority for you guys. But check it out. We had a phenomenal week last week. And the one thing that I want us to do is build on the momentum of last week. And then anything that you did well, I want to see more of it. Anything that you need to correct, I want you to make the necessary adjustments, okay? Guys, each and every day is a chance to get 1% better, okay? I want you guys to take it one day at a time, one play at a time. Let's go out and have some fun this week. More importantly, let's go out and execute at a high level this week, okay? And the market is going to give us a lot of opportunities with all of these earnings I'm about to go through momentarily, guys. Kicking it off, jumping right to Tuesday, guys. You guys know how I give it up, man. I don't mess with banks and all that kind of stuff. Microsoft will be reporting after close. That is one I want us to be focused on. After they report, you got Alphabet, otherwise known as Google, that will be reporting. Another name of interest is Visa, Teladoc, Snap, to name a few. On Wednesday, guys, we have Meta that will be reporting after the close. That will have significance. And then on Thursday, we have Amazon, another one that I care about and have interest in, that will be reporting. I don't want to leave out Friday Exxon because that is one of my dividend plays. So I will be keeping an eye out for them as well. But check this out, guys. We got some of the big dogs and heavy hitters reporting. And so listen, the market has been going down. Sometimes they'll take it down. And if these companies I just named could be the catalyst that turns it around based on earnings, then that may be the move we need to start headed back to the upside, okay? Listen to this. However, if they report and they miss, or they report and even if they beat, the stock still go down, that's just something I want you guys to make note of, that we are still in a period of a little more downward movement, okay? I want you guys to react. Don't front run, don't guess, don't gamble, okay? And then we make our moves off of what we see, okay? With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the charts. Okay, guys, we're kicking it off with the 1 week chart dealing and concerning Tesla, guys. Check this out. It's currently closed at this 216.25 level. I want to take you guys here, which is where we are at currently, okay? That's where we are at, all right? But you see this big boom boom candle, and then you see 196 is the next level that's incoming, okay? But we are at 216 right now. So what possibly could be happening is the 200, which this line right here is support, okay? That's the 200 EMA, okay, guys? It could be either coming to test this level and go back to the upside, or, guys, it could be coming to test this level and then break down and go down here, okay? And guess what? That will be set up for a double bottom, or if they did come up here, they could be set up for another mini double top. Regardless, guys, I don't want you guys to get caught up or trapped in, look at this, guys. A lot of times when we miss the bus, we come late to the party. When you miss the bus, you come late to the party. And when you come late to the party, this is what happens. Some of you, check this out, will try to buy a put. You're trying to buy a put right here, and we've already come down. Puts are supposed to be bought way up here, and then you ride it down, okay? Calls are considered down here, okay? You would buy calls here because you're anticipating riding it back up to this level, okay? But oftentimes I see new traders come into the game. Oh, the market been going down, down, down. They don't wait for any price action confirmations. They'll just jump in, they'll go with the so-called trend, not understanding what they're doing, and then they'll buy a put at support and then get cooked because the market will turn right back around and head up to the upside, and then you're down $2, $3, $4, $5 in 2 or 3 seconds because you didn't understand. Okay, again, there's money to be made, plays to be made within this range, but you have to be surgical. You have to respect the levels that they're going to carve out for you first thing Monday morning. So we're currently at 212, 216 level. Okay, guys, we can very well see and test 208. If we lose 208, I already want you guys to start looking for 200, 196, and guys, we can go a lot lower than that, but again, those things come one day at a time, and I want you guys to take it as such. Okay, but we are going to play a range to kick off Monday and let them tell us the range that they want to establish to start the week. If they go back up to the upside, I'm looking for 220, 223 will still be an upside move that I'll respect. Okay, just like you don't want to go up to all-time highs in one swoop, you don't want to go down to all-time lows in one swoop. So most likely it's going to run its course, it's going to take its time, but I need you guys to make sure you are along for the ride and making sure that you see what's going on and you're reacting to what you see versus just jumping in blind. Okay, just wanted to show you some levels, and then more importantly, let me call this out to your attention. Okay, the lesson I really did this video for, or this particular point, is look at this, guys. This right here is called a neckline. All right, and the neckline on a double top is a significant area. Okay, and that area has been breached by this boom boom candle right there. Okay, and so therefore you need to understand we could go down, but if we go down, we already are coming into support, and if this swoops up, we could come down, hit it, bounce and go up, or we can go down and then actually break through. Okay, down and then break through, then hit it, and then go down even further. Okay, so you have scenarios, and that's why I teach you guys if this then that, so that you guys can know, okay, I need to have a possible 3 or 4 scenarios in my head of what they could do, because remember, their job is to trick, trap, and frustrate you. Your job is to anticipate what they're going to do. That's why we call this high level chess. Listen, guys, hopefully today's lesson was helpful. Let's go ahead and dive into the stocks. Okay, guys, kicking it off with one of 4 stocks that we care about that's going to be reporting this week. Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT, sitting at 326.84. They were down 1% yesterday. And look at this, on the week, they were down 0.29%, almost $1. And in the past month, they are up 2.9, almost 3%. Okay, I want to bring these things to your attention because these companies will be on deck this week. Okay, Amazon, let's check them out. They were down 2.5%, currently sitting at 124.97. The ticker symbol on this one is AMZN. On the week, they were down 5%, or roughly $7. And over the past month, they are down 4.5%, or nearly $6. Okay, just things I want to call your attention to because they too are on deck this week. And then, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at Meta. The ticker symbol on this one is META, otherwise and formerly known as Facebook. They're sitting at 308.06. Okay, they were down 1% on Friday. And then check this out, on the week, they were down 2%, a little over 2%, or equivalent of $6.75. And on the month, they are actually up nearly 5%. Things I want to make sure you are aware of, because these companies can reverse all of this downward pressure we've been seeing for the last 4 or 5 days. Okay, Meta specifically, okay, they go crazy on earnings, and if they go up, they are taking the roof off and they're taking the whole market with it. Okay, just want to call your attention to that. And then Alphabet, this is one of my babies right here, ticker symbol GOOGL. You guys know Google, you guys know Alphabet, you guys know the owners of YouTube. All of that is under this umbrella. Okay, They're currently sitting at $135.54. They were down 1.5% on Friday as well. All stocks, or at least many of them, okay, definitely the ones of interest, were taking a beating this past week and just on Friday as well. It was just a sell-off, all right? A sell-off and a pullback. But now we have to see if this continues or if earnings changes the fortunes, okay? On the week, they were down a little over 1%, or the equivalent of $1.66. And over the past month, they are up 3%. This is one of my plays I have way down here at 118, 115, under the 120 level. And so again, I have my sight set on this going to that $150 range. All right. So I'll be looking for whether it's this catalyst to get us there or just the point of it running its course throughout the remainder of this year into next year. Okay, that's my price target. All right, so listen guys, these companies are on deck. As you can see, although temporary and in the short term, they have been beaten down just a tad bit. Okay, overall they're holding up pretty good over a 1 month basis or over the course of the last 30 days. All right, and just in general, they have been crushing it and leading the way throughout this entire year. I expect that to stay the case for the time being. I'll let you know when we shift and everything going to crash and we're going to go back to the 2022 type of time frames. But for right now, this is a respectable pullback, one that got our attention. But we want to see if this is the week and that these earnings are the catalyst that bring us out of this downward slide. Okay, listen guys, we got a chance to do something great, something epic, and something special this week. I want you to be locked, loaded, and ready to go. Be in the Discord first thing in the morning, as well as Money Team. Be ready to knock our plays out the park. Those plays will be sent to you guys first thing Monday morning by 8:30 Eastern time, so that you guys got an hour in advance to knock these plays right out the park soon as market open. Okay, be ready. Bring your A game and put a premium on execution this week. That's what I'm after. That's what I want to see. Okay, listen guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.